Alright guys, here's another short little video on how to choose your bypass module for your remote starter. Now, me personally, I only use idataLink, that's my personal preference. So this video is going to be more about which models that you can choose from idataLink if you're not using like an iDataStart HC1 or an HC2. So to get started, you're going to want to go to idataLink.com. Now from here, you're going to put in your vehicle make, year, model, and the trim onto the vehicle. So is it a standard key, a push start, is it automatic, is it manual? And then from there you're going to come up with a list. Now from that list you're going to see like an ALCA and a TV, and you'll end up seeing like a HC3 and a bunch of other little things. But if you don't have the HC1, HC2, HC3, then just go with the TB or the ALCA. So when you click on the ALCA or the TB, there's a few things that you have to look at. What can this module do for my vehicle? Okay, and that's why I printed out both the ALCA and the TB. So if I come down to the features, okay, which is right here, okay, you're going to see that the features covered standard. You got downloadable software, you got serial data communication, two-way serial data communication, remote start, and data immobilizer bypass. Okay, that's on the ALCA. Now if you come over to the TB, okay, you're going to take and you're going to come down to the bottom and you're going to see what it covers. And as you can see, this one covers a downloadable software, serial data communication, two-way serial data communication, and remote start. So if I put them side by side, they basically cover the exact same thing. Okay, so what's the difference? The difference is that if they cover the exact same thing, this one's going to cost you $130, where this one's going to cost you like $80. So it's a $50 difference, and they're doing the exact same thing. So why choose the ALCA over the TB? It just doesn't make any sense. Now, if the ALCA on the standard features did door locks, trunk, and a bunch of other little things, then I would say go for the ALCA, because your install is going to be just a lot quicker than the TB. So for my install today on my 2010 Genesis Coupe is going to be the ADS TB. And that's just basically how to choose which bypass module you want for your vehicle. Hopefully this was the information in this little video helps somebody, and I'll see you guys next time with another small video. Have a good day.